Beautéderm celebrated a major milestone as President and CEO Rhea de Tan officially welcomed the Vice Ganda and Perez as the brand's newest ambassadors during a special contract signing held at Soler North on November 17, 2025.
We are grateful to be entering an exciting era with Ion, whose authenticity shines wherever he goes, and a phenomenal era with Vice, whose sincerity shines through despite her superstar status. Maraming salamat from the bottom of my heart for believing in us and welcoming our brand into your hearts.
It was a feel-good, star-studded moment, very on-brand for Beautéderm's 16th anniversary celebration. But beyond the glamour, the event highlighted something deeper, the shared advocacy between the company and Vice Ganda. For years, Beautéderm has supported Unkabogable Stars scholarship programs for underprivileged students. This renewed partnership strengthens the brand's commitment to uplifting communities.
We met in Quezon City in Taste of LA, to offer help for my travel series, yung Ganda the Explorer. Kasi nung nalaman niya nagbibigay ako ng scholarship, sabi niya, baka gusto mong dagdagan yung mga pinapaaral mo. Tutulong ako kasi yung din ang advocacy ko, education. So ang dami niya pang, sabi niya, pwede akong magbigay ng scholarship kung madaming nakakailangan, tapos kailangan mo ng katuwang. Nag-offer siya ng help. And nagdire-diretso na yung friendship namin dalawa.
Yes. Beautéderm didn't stop there. The company also provides scholarships to 50 students every year, plus educational support for up to 3 children of each employee. A testament to its belief that beauty goes beyond skin deep and extends to creating real opportunities. With Vice Ganda and partner Perez officially joining the Beautéderm family, the brand is gearing up for a more inspiring chapter. The power couple will champion the company's mission of promoting beauty, health, kindness, love, and generosity. This is Patricia Mamangon on the spot.